So I guess family trauma.
पढ़ाई घर की.
हाँ पढ़ाई क्या जो भी बोलते हैं उसको.
So
I have too many questions with my life, so why not with relations?
Hello everyone,
welcome back to our
channel.
YouTube channel.
If you are new here, I am new here. I am Ahana.
And I am already here for a few days. My name is Shadia and I own a channel which name is Crazily Sane. ऐसा कुछ.
अपना चैनल का नाम भूल गए.
हाँ.
So today we are going to talk of how we met, because you know I am new to this social media. I am new to content creating. Please don't spread hate.
Heads.
Don't spread hate.
हाँ.
And today we are going to do a tarot reading, a love tarot card reading for every one of you, for questions you have for this month and for the next month as well.
The questions we also have.
The questions we also have, but before that we are going to introduce ourselves, that how we met, and how we decided to start content creating together,
and also our traumas, which are
Because-
quite similar.
because Gen Z people trauma bond.
True.
So how did we meet?
So we met in college.
We met in college. We are in the same semester. We have the same honors. So we met through our freshers party, not a party exactly, sorry, because we belong to a women's college.
It's
तो
not
वहाँ
a
पे
party.
कॉलेज तो होता नहीं है, पार्टी तो होता है नहीं.
और एक्सपेक्टेशन पर भी नहीं वो कुछ खास खड़े उतरते हैं.
So I was this very extroverted kind of a girl, मैं अप्रोच नहीं की थी, यही मैडम अप्रोच की थी मेरे को. And that is
ऐसे
how
जैसे
we met.
कर रही है, ऐसे बता रही है जैसे आई एम सम काइंड ऑफ फैन गर्ल की. ऐसे कर ले.
मेरे ऊपर फैन गर्लिंग करती थी सब कोई. बात ही ऐसी.
मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
So we trauma bonded. So how did we trauma bond? Like जहाँ से हम लोग का friendship strengthen हुआ, and today we are together making content.
So I guess family trauma. family trauma.
Family trauma पे बहुत bond किए हम लोग.
हाँ, family trauma
Like
was the most
childhood
important.
से लेके teenage, whatever we faced from our parents, friends, our exes.
You.
Ew.
ठीक है.
Today what we are, whatever we have become, it is because of what
We have faced.
So yeah, absolutely.
बट वही एक रीज़न है जिसके वजह से आई गेस बहुत सारे चीज़ों पे हम लोग पीछे भी रह गए हैं.
हाँ, मतलब subconsciously somewhere we are still stuck with those
Memories.
memories, those statements, those particular words and phrases that have been thrown like stones on our faces. They are still stuck with us.
It's
Big
not
as
just
scars.
about the relationships, it's also about family traumas. क्योंकि I guess the most part of our traumas belongs, like we should give it to our parents. The way we felt कि we are not good enough. तो वो चीज़ था कि
I mean, we are not blaming, parents, but it's like they are also humans. They were also learning. Somewhere, we feel के
but we were
कुछ चीज़
also
नहीं होना
kids.
चाहिए. बचपन में हम लोग को इतना कुछ सुनाया गया, बोला गया कि that somewhere we became the version of ourselves that we did not wanted to become.
Yeah, we were trying to not fit in, like उन लोग के expectations या
We
उन लोग
tried,
जैसा.
no, it's like we tried to fit in, पर फिर भी complaints आ रहे थे.
हाँ, we tried our best, but they were always like, it's not up to the mark, it was not like this, it was not like that. तुम लड़की हो, तुमको ऐसे behave करना चाहिए या ऐसे था. I guess तुम ये चीज़ face की हो.
I've been body shamed, slut shamed, and of course कपड़े लेके तो बहुत कुछ सुना, honestly.
Slut shame भी किस age में? I guess
I think it was 7 or 8. I was that young.
You were that
I
young.
was that young.
I was like something 10 to 12 वाला age था मेरा. उससे पहले तो I was just being judged for my clothes. वो भी एक 10 साल के बच्चे यार कुछ भी पहने हैं.
I mean, I don't know why people talk about clothes so much. I mean, as grown-up women, we know
how we
basic
should-
sense है
हाँ.
कि how should we dress, but as a 10-year-old 8-year-old kid you are not supposed to, मतलब if somebody is looking,
The
you go and
problem-
teach them, you do not
हाँ.
teach your daughters कि आप ऐसे कपड़े पहन
बट द
मत
प्रॉब्लम
पहनो.
वाज कि बाहर के लोग आकर कुछ नहीं बोल रहे थे. द प्रॉब्लम वाज इन द फैमिली, कि उन लोग में था कि भाई ये एक तो घोड़ी जैसी लंबी हो गई है, इसको इतने छोटे छोटे कपड़े. भाई लंबे ही हुए थे ना, कुछ ऐसा मतलब एज तो नहीं
We were
बढ़ा
just
था.
kids, just kids. And then came in our adolescence, जहाँ पे friends से बहुत कुछ सुनने को मिला.
फ्रेंड्स से बहुत कुछ सुनने को मिला. इवन दो वी ट्राइड
To fit into the generation, fit
or to
into
solve our problems within the
friend group, लेकिन rather we were, you know, faced, we were made the villain of the group.
always like somehow or the other, if you try to help them or try to teach them that what is right or wrong, like as a friend I think you should at some point of time
मतलब
you
वो-
should tell them कि भाई I am not trying to like blame you or something, but फिर भी. और कुछ कुछ तो ऐसे होते थे जो अपने फायदे के लिए मतलब नाम खराब कर देती थी दूसरों के सामने, कि भाई मतलब वो फंसना
Sympathy gain करना.
सिंपैथी गेन करना, और प्लस वो अपने बॉयफ्रेंड
ऐसे पोस्ट बनाओ, ऐसे बात करो, ऐसे खुद को पोर्ट्रे करो कि तुम सबसे डिप्रेस्ड हो, लेकिन तुम तो भाई हो के
और मतलब खुद अगर तुम चीटिंग से बचना चाहो, अगर तुम्हारा बॉयफ्रेंड है और तुम उसको, होता नहीं तुमको फिर भी लड़के लोग से बात करना, विच इज ओके फाइन विथ मी,
as long as your partner is okay with it.
हाँ. बट फिर उसके बाद में तुम बात कर रही हो, तुमको कोई नहीं मिला, तो यू पेंट दैट टारगेट ऑन योर दैट फ्रेंड कि भाई इसके ऊपर डाल देते हैं, इसको बुरा पेंट कर देते हैं. तो आई वाज लाइक कि बहुत सारे चांसेस हम लोग आई गेस फ्रेंडशिप में भी दिए हैं.
फ्रेंडशिप में, रिलेशनशिप में, we have given so many
Relationship
chances
के
to,
बारे में तो I
like
guess
we have
नहीं
attracted toxic people so much into our lives
Because
for
of the
which we
traumas.
decided to wear pink because womanhood.
वो भी लाइट पिंक, डार्क पिंक, मतलब कोई कॉम्बिनेशन.
Shade of pink, no shade of red anymore. We
हाँ.
both are into green flags. भगवान ने, अल्लाह ने सुन लिया.
सेम. यार इतने कुछ जो हम लोग फेस किए ना, वो सब चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा से ही आते हैं, क्योंकि somehow
That
when
is the
you-
root cause. That is how we reflect on.
क्योंकि पहले तो हम लोग के बचपन में जैसे हम लोग को बताया गया, जैसे सिखाया गया, we didn't want to be that woman. The thing was this, कि we want that someone will love me for me. ये वो हम लोग को समझेंगे कि
You
मैं
know,
कैसे
why
हूँ या
did we
क्या हुआ,
do
हाँ.
something in specific?
And we
कि
were
हम
kids.
लोग का lacking कहाँ था? Because we thought that we are not good enough, right? So we did some things to gain that validation.
But
जो
we didn't
as-
get that validation.
Instead, we got trauma and we made
Mistakes.
mistakes,
जो
tremendous mistakes make it. But I feel those mistakes were necessary to remind us that we do not need any validation.
yes, that's true. और क्योंकि उन लोग जैसे मतलब
So we always kept searching for in relationships that, you know, someone will be there who is going to understand us. लेकिन वो होता ही नहीं था because everybody starts judging.
बोले तू बोले
तुमने ये किया.
नहीं, लेकिन हम लोग क्यों उम्मीद रख रहे हैं? हम लोग के माँ बाप हम लोग को नहीं समझे. द फैक्ट वाज दैट एक सर्टेन एज तक आई स्टिल से कि इसके पेरेंट्स अभी बहुत ज्यादा समझ
I mean,
रहे हैं.
after what has happened recently, that is what we are going to talk about in the next video because that's one hell of a story to say.
हाँ.
But anyway, so whatever happened, I'm not very happy. But at least I'm happy that it got me back with my parents on the right track. And
Congratulations to you because I'm still trying to get on the right track. One of my parents with us.
I mean, at least I do not wish what went through me to anyone, upon anyone. No one. No one should, you know, go through what I did because बचपन में मम्मी पापा से slut shame होना is a different thing, but growing up and hearing it from your own boyfriend's mouth.
Yikes. Like literally मतलब
He's not a boyfriend anymore for your information. He's
हाँ.
my ex for a reason.
जब बचपन से लाइक यू फेल्ट सो डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ लव, लाइक फादरली लव, तो फिर हम लोग फिर वही रेड फ्लैग्स ही अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. मतलब वी फेल इन लव विद द रॉन्ग बॉयज.
We fell in love with men who were like our father. साइकोलॉजिकली।
हाँ, but which were
हम लोग चाहते नहीं थे,
हाँ.
लेकिन वो हो गया because we never got the therapy, we couldn't afford the therapy of course, and therapy is not really
और
talked of.
अगर मेरे घर पे मैं बोलूँगी कि यार थेरेपी पे जाना है या ऐसा कुछ है, द थिंग्स आई एम नॉट एबल टू ओवरकम, बोलेंगे कि क्या होता है
It's
therapy?
just a phase.
हाँ.
You'll get over it, but you never get over it, so get help.
And
If
my
you think-
parents doesn't know the meaning of therapy. They don't know what is this. They think this is bullshit. अभी नया Gen Z चोचला है ये जो खत्म हो
But it's
जाएगा.
not a Gen Z thing. It has been happening for generations now.
वो सब चीज़ से ओवरकम कर चुके हैं, तो
We ended up attracting green flags. So maybe.
maybe yes, but still there are some parts जहाँ पर हम लोग को ऐसा लगता है हर वक्त we question ourselves, तो you should not question yourself.
Never question your worth. Never let anyone question your worth. Never.
Not even your parents.
Not even your parents, not your partner, not your friends, not even your own self.
Because somehow the way I speak या फिर जितना अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट मैं खुद फील करती हूँ इस चीज़ से, वो इसी रीज़न से बिकॉज यू वर नॉट लाइक तुमको वैसा फील ही नहीं करवाया गया कि भाई तुम कर सकते हो, तुमसे ये हो जाएगा या तुम कुछ अचीव कर सकते हो. इवन दो आई
You were
वांटेड
never made your worth being realized by
हाँ,
by your
but
parents.
the
जो
thing is-
initial जिनको
और
करना
जहाँ
चाहिए
पर
था.
जैसे बहुत कुछ करना था मुझे, बट दे वर ऑलवेज लाइक कि तुमसे कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा, कुछ नहीं होगा. नॉट माई लाइक फैमिली इज ऑल्सो कि भाई कुछ नहीं होगा, क्या होगा, लड़की तो एट द एंड वही हड़िया चूल्हा करना है वगैरह वगैरह. आई हेट
पराए घर की.
हाँ पढ़ाए क्या जो भी
पराए
बोलते हैं
घर
उसको.
की, yes.
हाँ तो आई वाज लाइक कि भाई ये तो बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे, कुछ भी करेंगे लेकिन ये नहीं करेंगे. चलो नया कुछ स्टार्ट करते हैं. इसको भी स्टार्ट करने में आई गेस हम लोग को बहुत टाइम लग गया.
क्या?
कंटेंट क्रिएटिंग हम लोग बहुत लेट है इसमें.
We are very late. We are seeing all the millionaires, you know, after content creating, and we are like,
भाई
यार अगर दो पैसे हम लोग को भी मिल सकते तो क्या दो?
हाँ क्योंकि हम लोग बोल सकते हैं, बहुत कुछ बोल सकते हैं, पर थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए, थोड़ा सा एंजाइटी जैसा हो जाता है.
Like I got my therapy, I got my confidence back because you know I was questioned my worth, I was questioned on my sexuality, I was questioned on the kind of person I am, the kind of woman I am. So
The kind of clothes we wear,
the kind of clothes you wear,
the kind of people we are friends to, या the kind of people we spend time with, या फिर जैसे हम लोग behave करते हैं.
मतलब we have been questioned on every aspect of our life. So
ना-
वहाँ से if you know we have this one person in our life who is giving that certain amount of love and attention na,
even though they are faking it.
even they are pretending love bombing बोल दो, they are red flag, they are toxic,
ये जो
दिमाग में आता ही
कर
नहीं,
रही है,
दिमाग में
मुझे कुछ
आता ही
नहीं
नहीं
पता.
है. तब लगता है कि भाई यही सब कुछ है.
हाँ but
But when it starts to fade out, तब लगता है कि भाई ये तो मम्मी पापा ही है.
सेम वही साइकिल पे फंस गए हम लोग की लाइफ साइकिल के, जहाँ से शुरू किए थे वहीं पर आकर रुक गए. बट वी आर ट्राइंग, एटलीस्ट शी इज गेटिंग हर थेरेपी. आई नीड थेरेपी. कि दिल में जो चीज़ होता है वो हम लोग बोल ही नहीं पाते हैं.
I guess that is the reason why I also thought that you know we should start making videos जहाँ पे we can
जहाँ
get
पे हाँ कुछ भी बोल
our
सकते हैं.
heart out and you know make it reach to those people who cannot speak.
But you
let
still
them speak for
but you
themselves.
still express your feelings very well, like now only. But I'm still struggling with it कि भाई वीडियो है, पता है कि वीडियो है, ऐसा है वैसा है, कि अभी तो कोई नहीं देख रहा, बट बैक ऑफ द माइंड वो हमेशा ये चलता है कि यार सब देखेगा, जज करेगा, कुछ ऐसे मतलब होगा.
But that's the thing ना, लाइफ में कोई ना कोई रहेगा ही जो
जितना भी ट्राई करो बनी, लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ तो छूटेगा ही.
जज करेगा.
जज करेगा, will hate you for no reason at all. But
And
you
there-
just have to do your thing. Keep doing your thing.
We were like,
If
"Fuck
you
it,
know-
we have to do it."
If
Keep
you know
doing
you're
it.
doing the right thing, you're on the right path, no one can stop you.
हाँ, ये थोड़ा ज्यादा ज्ञान हो गया आज के लिए वैसे.
Yeah. So we'll go on to the tarot reading. So I have prepared piles. I have prepared 3 piles, and you guys can go ahead and choose. And the time stamps will be provided down below. bracelets I have chosen for this reading. So I have some intuitive messages written that I was getting. So as I have written in my description box that I'm a strong clairvoyant, I'm intuitive, I get intuitions and I also get visions. So we have a tarot card here. Now pile number 1 is going to be, I'm not going to say the card, it's going to be this orange bracelet and this card. So you're going to choose a pile whichever you feel drawn to. For second pile we have a red bracelet. So if you can see,
ये वो मेकअप स्किन केयर नहीं दिखाते हैं, if you can see.
and for third pile we have a green whitish color ka bracelet. So these are the piles. Go ahead and choose whichever you feel drawn to. I'm going to hold
पत्ते खेलेंगे.
3 of the bracelets together. So whichever you feel drawn to. And I'll start with pile number 1.
यार ये मेरा नीश नहीं है, but
It's
कुछ
not my
interesting.
niche as well. I am self-taught. Already chosen one card for each file. So let's see. So it's the Five of Wands. Five of Wands itself, it represents a lot of conflict. It could be inner conflict. It could be outer conflict. Page of Wands. So I'm going to do a 3-card tarot reading only. Now you can see the cards. You can see the cards. So conflict, but you have to be confident. Like Page of Wands, confidence I can feel individually. So since it's a love reading, could be something that you're already in a relationship, or maybe you like someone and maybe that person or you are conflict, or maybe they are into someone else, maybe you are into multiple people, could be that. And there is a King of Cups. So altogether you are your own king. You have to choose what you want, and
choosing is the most confusing thing of today's generation, by the way.
we are of the same generation, so let's not.
Yeah, we are. That's what I'm saying.
So for-
today's generation, we are in the same generation.
So for each pile I'm going to choose 2 intuitive cards that I have, it's self-written cards. I'm going to choose them. I don't know. While I was shuffling, I was feeling this heavy energy. So take a leap of faith. That's one. And karma. Now, okay. So I can tell you one thing is that the person you like or the person you are with, you might have some inner conflict with them. Is it going to work out? Is it not going to work out? Future hai, future nahi hai. Do not be worried. Take a leap of faith. If they do you wrong, if they are not right for you, they will get their karma. I'm gonna go ahead to pile number 2. So pile number 2, we have Page of Pentacles in reverse. We have the Lovers.
क्या हो गया तुम्हें?
इसको कुछ हो गया.
I don't know. I get this energy that there's lack of commitment from your person. It's someone in an existing relationship already. You're already in an existing relationship, and there is lack of commitment. Could be a situationship wala thing as well. There's lack of commitment,
But
lack
yeah.
of focus. Maybe the person is immature, emotionally, financially. Since कोई card आ नहीं रहा, I'm going to choose one. Yeah, right. So the person you are with, they are carrying the weight of something, the weight of that trauma, because there is 7 of wands. As you can see, here are the cards for pile 2. So you're with someone who is immature, lack of commitment hai. So if this resonates with you, I'm going to go ahead and choose the intuitive cards to let you know what is going to happen. Like I said, heavy energy weighing you down. मैं बोल रही थी ना that the person is, you know, way down कर रहा है. Something is weighing him, so like something, some kind of hindrance, some कुछ तो blockage है कि उसको ये commitment, ये focus that he is lacking, कुछ एक चीज है. Maybe it could be a family thing, could be a third party energy as well. But since he is immature, I'm going to warn you, be careful. That's for pile 2. Okay, so pile number 3. 3 is my lucky number, so okay. Pile number 3, King of Wands. So there's King of Wands, and since 3 cards came out, I'm going to take 3 of them. There's the World in reverse. It's a Tower in reverse, the World, and the Page of Swords. So it was in reverse. I'm gonna show you the cards. ये cards आए हैं. You are with someone who is dominant. You are with someone, or you like someone, wanting to be with someone. Maybe that person is giving you commitment. Maybe the person is also wanting a relationship. Maybe the person is stable, mature, लेकिन pretend भी कर सकते हैं. Could be pretentious. But if he is not pretending, then he'll give you the world. He'll give you his entire world. I can tell you this one thing. The Tower is in reverse. It's not really a good sign because lack of wisdom. यही लग रहा है मेरे को. Give time. Give enough time to know the person. Okay, so I'll use the intuitive messages if it resonated with you. बहुत हंस रही हो. Okay, this is coming.
I'm waiting for my chance, okay? जब आएगा तब शायद हंसी ना आए.
See, showcase and portrait. तो मैं बोल रही थी ना that he could be pretentious, so he could be showcasing himself, showcasing his assets, his efforts, what he has gained in life. Do not fall for that. And halo is something holy. So have faith in God. God will do justice to you. So yeah, that's for piles.
जब मेरा रीडिंग हुआ तब से इतना सीरियस माहौल हो चुका था. अब थोड़ा सा तुम लोग मजाक उड़ा सकते हो. मजाक का ही बात है जिंदगी में.
कोई भी ब्रेसलेट चूज करो.
कोई भी.
कोई एक.
चलो ग्रीन करते हैं, शायद सब सही चलता हो लाइफ में तब.
ग्रीन.
बिकॉज रेड फ्लैग नहीं चाहिए और लाइफ में.
4 of Wands.
नाइस.
Too many cards can't take.
Too many questions, can't take.
तो 4 of Wands निकला. Now her question was that is she going to get married? Too many cards again. Why do I feel you have too many questions from your relationship? It's like that, like constantly बार बार बहुत सारे cards आ रहे. So
I have too many questions with my life, so why not with relationships?
So 4 of Wands, it represents some kind of celebration. So it's a
शादी हो
direct.
जाएगा मतलब.
It's a direct. हाँ मतलब I told you on the first day. Intuitively I told her when we first met कि तुम्हारा शादी होगा इस बंदे से. तो she's like भाई कौन है ये एरी गैरी आगे ही बोल रही है. Since no card, okay. Eight of Cups. Blessings are on your way. Good times are on your way. Relationship में. Maybe you guys are going through a rough patch, or you recently have been through a rough patch. Is it?
मेरे से ज्यादा बहुत ज्यादा.
See, I told you ना. तो it's basically दान करना, blessings. God will give you your fruits. You both have been true to each other. You will get your blessings. So
Hey.
I hope you guys get married. But I can only predict. I can wish you all the
ये
best.
मतलब प्रेडिक्ट कर ऐसे शॉक सा दे देती है.